How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Samsung monitor not showing the optimum mode. So when you encounter this problem, more likely you're not in the recommended setting for Samsung. So the first thing that you actually want to do is to right click on your desktop. From here, navigate through the display setting. And by the way, you could also do the same thing for Mac devices out there. And simply once inside, you have the display resolution. And I highly suggest that you select the recommended option right here. And for the scale option, once again, you just want to do the same thing. And lastly, for your refresh rate, which can also affect that, you then want to go ahead and play with it. So I suggest maybe choosing something stable like 60, 120, or 165. And if that didn't fix the problem, we actually have to make changes on our graphics card control panel right here. So just do the same thing, navigate through the change resolution, and from here you then want to select the recommended one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.